am Sujit Kumar Saini. I am living in Greater Noida, Beta 1. And I was having this back tail pain since beginning of February, in fact. And I was feeling this pain mainly when I was sitting on hard surface for a long time, and especially I felt it mainly while I was driving, because during the driving, if I am driving for 8 hours or 9 hours or 6 hours or 4 hours, I was able to, let's say, feel it. Otherwise, if I am sitting on bed and so on, it was no issue, let's say. And I have waited for this, let's say, this treatment primarily because of this COVID, because I was at home, so no need to go to office and so on, so no sitting work. So due to that, let's say, it was not so painful, and I was able to manage my work and, let's say, my daily activity and so on. Finally, one day I drive to Rajasthan, in fact, my wife's place, and during that, in fact, I went through driving, and it was 550 kilometers. So after driving, I start to feel again, let's say, some pain. So then it was in Bhilwara, in fact. So there I went to visit the doctor, because there are a lot of specialists of this kind of, let's say, हड्डी वगैरह का. तो मैं वहाँ पे गया और उन्होंने मेरा एक्सरे करवाया, और एक्सरे के बाद जो है उन्होंने मेरे को बोला कि आपका एक्सरे में कुछ है, मतलब. तो फिर उन्होंने एमआरआई करवाया, और एमआरआई के बाद में उन्होंने मेरे को 10 दिन का टेबलेट दिया. अब उसके बाद मैं उनको वहाँ पे जाके दिखा नहीं पाया. Then I came back here, and I visited and I meet Dr. D.S. Chauhan. He suggested me your reference, let's say, that there is a doctor who is coming from JP Hospital. So meet with him. I think he is a specialist of spine. So again, I have to wait for I think 3 to 4 weeks, because you were on vacation, let's say. Coincidence. But I waited, let's say, that, and my wait was worth, I would say, at the end. So last Saturday, not this Saturday, last Saturday there was an appointment. So I came here, and I think I have a nice chat with you. Let's say you describe the problem, you diagnose the problem, and it was very pleasant experience, let's say, while talking with you and so on. You were like a very specialist, and also, let's say, from behavior point of view, and keeping the patient calm and so on, and asking that take your decision. So you give me all the advices and so on, side effects, plus minus and so on, and then you ask me to take the decision. So there was some doubt that should I go for injection or not. I don't, because I have never went to the operation theaters and so on. But still, I feel that because at this moment it is due to COVID, I'm not. I'm working from home, so it is not a big issue. But I think once it will open and so on, it will be difficult to sit in office for 8 to 10 hours and so on. So I made up my decision at the moment, let's say, on the spot, and then he scheduled the appointment for this injection, and so I went in the evening. I was a little bit nervous that because first of all it will be in the operation theater, then there will be injection, and और भी हड्डी में हो तो थोड़ा सा और डर लगता है, ठीक है. But I think the way you treated me, let's say, personally, or let's say by talking and so on, you keep me calm, and let's say, and so on. And I was also bold, let's say. So, and I think it took around 30 minutes. I did not notice exactly, but it took around 30 minutes, this whole process. And the injection was done at 4 times, the same injection, let's say. I hardly feel, let's say, pain, in fact. Very little bit, like normal injections and so on. Only once, let's say, when you were moving the injection, I feel little bit, let's say, little bit more, but it was not unbearable, or even, in fact, I was lying on the bed. Nobody was, let's say, catching me. I mean, किसी ने मेरा हाथ भी नहीं पकड़ रखा था, कुछ नहीं पकड़ रखा था. तो I was simply like a normal injection, let's say. Even it was not normal injection, but I feel the whole process like a normal injection. And after during the 2-3 days, let's say, I feel little little bit pain of injection, but it was very little, I would say negligible, let's say. And then after 3 to 4 days after, let's say, I start to feel better. And now it is 10 days, because now it is Tuesday, let's say. So I follow all the prescriptions, means the tablets and so on, and not eating the sugar, because I was advised by sir that Devasi sir that don't take any sugar. So I even did not took the sugar during the tea and so on. So, and I am feeling, let's say, perfectly okay. I would say 100%, but still, as it is only 10 days, so I would say at least 95%. Even when I came here, in the morning also, I sit on the hard surface, try to see if I have the pain and should I go for the second injection or not. And even in the hospital, I was waiting, let's say, outside for 15-20 minutes, and it was steel, let's say, chair. So even on that, I did not feel any pain and so on. So I think it is quite very successful and, let's say, good experience, let's say. And hope I will be fully perfect, let's say, and so on. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.